Hey everybody, I want to show you guys something cool today. This company called Dynamic LED Customs has sent me something that I think you're going to like. So what we got here is, I've been looking for these LED whips to go on the back of a side-by-side. Some of y'all might be familiar with that. Basically it's just long poles with LEDs in it that do all kinds of cool, crazy colors at night. It makes it safer for trail riding if you're going to be riding around other people, and it just looks cool at nighttime. So I'm going to get these things taken out of the package, show you what we got, and then we're going to hook them up, and I'm going to do a video showing you guys what they look like at night. Stick around. Okay, so we got these things out of the box. What we got here is we got the two 4-foot LED whips. These things are pretty tough. They're strong. Like if you run under something, hit them on a tree limb or whatever, I mean, I'm bending that pretty far. These things are tough. They have quick release mounts, which is really cool. If you got it mounted on the ATV, you want to take them off to wash it or whatever, they're waterproof, but you just pull this and the mount stays behind on the four-wheeler, and then the light comes off. You can just disconnect the wiring harness right here, and all this obviously goes to the four-wheeler. ATV, side-by-side, UTV, there's everything out there today. But yeah, these things are pretty tough. They come with their own American flag on the whip, so you can't go wrong with that. America, nice little American flag. All right, so we're going to get these things hooked up. We're going to get them on the side-by-side and show you what they can do. Let's do it.
Everybody load up. Wonder how many we can fit in this truck, 'cause it's going down sure enough. Yeah, as soon as we roll up, gonna get a little sideways, a little country crazy. Gonna take more than this buzz to faze me. The whole town's here 'cause the whole town knows there ain't no better place to go if you wanna have a good time on a Friday night. Waterproof clear, got me feeling just right. Short skirts, high heels, walking through the door. Whiskey man ways got me looking for more. Jukebox wide open, playing my song. Bartender fill 'em up all night long. Everybody come on, take a dig of a swaller. We're gonna raise hell down in good time holler.